What's up? Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to clean some old radiator hoses and make them look brand new. So let's go. Yeah, so over here I've got all these radiator hoses and I want to try to clean them up. I've also got this coolant tank that I want to try to clean up. So I'm going to take y'all along. I've got some cleaning products and I've watched a couple YouTube videos on how to clean this. But anyways, we're going to try to take them looking like this and try to make them look brand new or as new as possible. All right, now that I've got all the hoses off, I'm gonna take all these clamps off and set them aside, keep them organized so when we get back, we need to put them back on, we can have them. All right, got them all, got all the hoses. Now I'm gonna take them over here to the sink and we'll try to clean them up. All right, now I got all the hoses in the sink. I'm gonna use some of this degreaser that we use at Total Exterior Clean. It is a commercial grade degreaser. Can't buy it at any stores. We use it at gas stations and really heavy cleanup jobs that have oil and grease stains. We use this on with that. But anyways, now we're gonna use it for these hoses. I think it's gonna work great. So let me get some hot water on here, kind of clean them off a little bit. I'm sure any kind of degreaser will work, like a Purple Power or Super Clean would be another one that I would suggest. I'm just using what I've got here at the HQ, so spray it down. Just gonna take a sponge, get some water on it, and I'm just gonna scrub them. I'm making sure to wear gloves when I do this. Yeah, just look at the difference. Just that first cleaning. All right, I took all the other hoses out. I'm gonna do one hose at a time so I can get maneuver and everything. But let's spray a little bit more of this degreaser on here. Yeah, I think that looks really good. We'll see how it looks after it dries. We're gonna do the rest of them now. Looks like a brand new hose. Gonna try this out, try a drill brush, try to clean all the extra stuff. You can see, didn't get all of the dirt. Once it dried, it revealed it, but I'm gonna clean it with this drill brush and try to get it all. All right, I've got all these hoses out here drying. I'm gonna grab one more thing. It's gonna make them pop. Let's go get it. All right, I'm gonna use this Aqua Gloss that is diluted 1-to-1. You can buy this at O'Reilly Auto Parts. And it's like a tire dressing, but I like it because it's water-based. You can dilute it. I dilute it 1-to-1 for like tires and stuff that I want a high gloss. And then I dilute it down like 4-to-1 for interiors that I don't want such a high gloss. But we're gonna use the 1-to-1 on these radiator hoses. Also like spraying the Aqua Gloss on the applicator pad. That way I don't spray it all over like if I'm working on a car or something, I don't spray it all over the car. It just goes on where you apply the pad. All right, I do have a question for you. What do you think about these radiator hoses?
Dang, did you go buy them?
No.
It looks good.
Yeah, they did clean up nice, huh?
They cleaned up nicely.
Yep, cool.